Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Flo with another video. Today's video we're going to have a slick ponytail using bundles and eco styling gel. Stay tuned, watch till the end, and let's have fun together. Basically, what I'm doing here is combing my hair and putting it to the direction I want, which is high to the top, and that's where I will put my bundles, sorry, not braids, my bundles. I'm also preparing the hair by adding gel around the edges, and I'm also going to create baby hairs all over my beautiful edges. So that is our ponytail, and these are the products I'm going to use. I bought this shoe brush because I couldn't get the hair brush. I didn't have time. There's no way I could get it. Then Carrefour has a sale on this eco styling gel. Normally it goes for 900 and I think 90, but it was only going for 590, and I know they still have the offer. So please run and buy this. I bought this like 2 days ago and I think they still have the offer. It's a good deal, so please do not miss this deal. This will last me the whole year. Like, we sorted for the year. We have a combo and this and our bundles. I'll show you later the bundles. So let's get into it. Let's use a headscarf to lay the edges by tying it around your hair and stay with it for about 10 minutes. You can do something as you wait. Then when you remove, honey, the edges, the baby hairs will be laid down. They will be laid down. So basically what I'm doing is taking the end of the bundle and wrapping it around my ponytail. Then later I'm going to take my bundle and wrap it from the end of my braid, this braid that I just braided, and I'll just round it I will just put it round, round, and round, and round, and round, and round, and round. I'm just doing the same with the second bundle, just rolling it from my ponytail, then round around the braid. That I'm just going to do just the same thing I did with the first bundle. So to finish it up, I took a piece of the hair and wrapped it around my ponytail so that it looked a little bit neater, and also to just secure it better. So that's the look of the day, and I was happy about it. It came out really pretty. I think I like it. If you do like it, you can also try and let me know in the comment below if you tried it, if you like it, if you recommend it, and if you want to share, you can share to your friends. You can share to your friends, your family, just anyone who would be interested. And make sure you subscribe to my channels. Okay guys, thanks. Thanks guys for watching. We've come to the end of the video. This is the ponytail I managed to achieve. I love it. It's so pretty, and also you can do it either in the middle or side part. You can do it on the side, any side you want. Yes, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give me a comment below and a thumbs up. Bye. See, if you're interested in this beautiful top, you can follow me on Instagram. I custom made them, or you can just DM me, or you can email me. Okay girls, so